This is the NextTrend Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum.
Now you may see it online as some other names. There are several different names. They've gone through a rebranding process, but this is the 2024 version, the gray colored version of this cleaner. There are several of them that are just like this. This cleaner is intended to go up to about 1,614 square feet. You know, in that ballpark right there, in that range. This is a cordless robotic pool cleaner. This one is heavier and much more sturdier than some of the other ones that I've looked at. So this weighs about 19.8 pounds, so nearly 20 pounds, okay? Big area right here to grab it with, a handle right here, little sensors right here. It's got a predetermined cleaning area and an all cover mode, so it can clean the walls, your water line. It can climb up steps, tanning ledges. It can do all of that, okay? Fine filter basket is right in here and easy access. Also, you'll notice on the bottom right here, this is where the water goes in, the inlet area right here. It's got some little flappers right here to direct the debris in this way. Cleaners, big brushes on the front and back that operate, you know, separately. Two here, separate ones, two here. Not a one big long one here. Okay, so they are separated like this. Big tracks to grip the bottom of the pool. Also easy access for the battery. If the battery goes dead, we can just unscrew this here and get another battery, screw it in, and then we can continue, you know, down the lifetime of the pool cleaner, right? So that's nice. A lot of the other pool cleaners have those batteries on the inside, make them harder to get to. So this thing is heavy duty, very impressive. Make sure we got this snapped on. There we go. So you can see it right here. So the water flows out the top here, the jet here, inlet underneath, and this thing is ready to get to work here. Also, it's got a little interior voice that talks. I charged it up last night. It told me it was ready for charging. When we pushed the button on,
please enjoy your pool. Goodbye.
So I just turned it off. It was on. Watch me turn it on here and see what it says.
Welcome to the Sato Pool Cleaning Robot. I'm ready to work. Now it's all cover mode.
All cover mode, ready to work, and it tells you that it's just ready to go. This is like a plug and play type pool cleaner here. I charged it up and it's ready to go. I don't have to do anything else. It's gonna run for about 90 minutes in this pool. So let's put it to work. All cover mode and she's ready to work. All right, let's throw it in. All right, you can see some water flowing up from the top there. Okay, it's moving. It's on its way. All right, it kind of does a little wheelie when it senses that there is a wall coming up, so it will hop up. That is how it works. That's how it's able to climb the walls and steps. So it is still cleaning and working when it does that wheelie. Don't worry about that, because remember the suction part is on that side underneath, so that doesn't cause any problems. So look, it senses the wall right there. Look at that, it's going up the wall. That is so cool. So you see it's got a predetermined cleaning motion. It goes and it turns. It goes, it turns a little bit. It goes, it turns a little bit. So you don't have to worry about it skinning your pool. Look, scrubbing the water line there. Scrubbing the water line. You won't get those little cheaper pool cleaners that you get. Most of them can't do this, all right? This is something that only a higher end pool cleaner can do. Now it's coming up toward us, climbing the wall. Look at that, that is so cool. An aggressive scrubbing motion on the water line there. Very cool, look at that. So now down here, we're in the deeper end here. We've got some deeper water here. You can see some slopes on the inside of the pool here. So now it's dealing with some other things it hadn't had to deal with yet here. Let's see how it navigates down there and does that. So it's going up the slope of the pool here. It's in the deep end, climbing the wall. That is just so cool how it can climb the wall. That's scrubbing the water line. And it's aggressive on that water line, right? It doesn't just do it a little bit. Probably a good 20 seconds or so on the water line. Now it's dropping back down. Let's see how it navigates this. Dropping back down. Now those tracks on the side have activated again. There's the drain down there. It just rolled over that. There's two drains down there. Rolling over theirs pretty easily. But we're going to go ahead and pop the top off real quick and take a look. And just pull the basket out very easily. There we go. We can see all of the stuff that's in there. A lot of hair, a lot of pine needles. We can even see that there is a caterpillar, a dead caterpillar in here. It's spring season. See a little caterpillar right there. So also some fine little dirt particles, sand particles. So the pool wasn't super dirty, but again, this is definitely things that you don't want in your pool. It's got a little more weight to it. It's got a little more power to it. I feel like a really nice robotic pool cleaner. So if you're in the market for one like this, I think this would definitely be one to consider.